Hi, I'm John Lay from Talented Learning. Welcome to my LMS Replacement Readiness Review. Many LMS replacement decisions begin with a renewal deadline. Do you just renew with your current vendor and move on? Or is it time to consider a change? Our LMS Replacement Readiness Review helps organization answer that question before committing to a full selection process, the time, the cost, and the politics around that. In my focused 3 to 4 week engagement, I'll work directly with your team to assess business needs, your current platform limitations, your usage pattern and license and cost structure. I'll recommend market options and come up with realistic cost considerations from that so that you can make a clear decision. The outcome is a clear recommendation: renew with confidence or move forward with an LMS selection. This service is ideal for organizations facing renewal, forced migrations due to acquisition of their LMS, or just growing frustration with your current LMS due to their either lack of innovation or you're growing and hitting the wall. Either way, if you need clarity before making a major decision, this is the right place to start. Schedule a free consult with me and we can talk about whether the LMS replacement review is right for you. We'll see you soon.